Would you like to trade Ethereum with trading robots and you don't have programming skills to do it? This course will allow you to trade not just one but 99 different trading robots specially created for the Ethereum. My name is Petko Aleksandrov, the SEO at Forex Academy, and I'm pleased to welcome you to the Ethereum trading course. I teach algorithmic trading because with manual trading it is tough to follow the cryptocurrencies. They are very volatile, and we all saw that it is not just one direction to go. But while more than 95% of the people were losing their money on the exchanges, I was profiting, trading with robots, and I still do. I have created the strategies with professional trading software, and this way I can create many robots without IT skills, and I can generate tons of different strategies. I will share with you the complete process that I'm following. I am very open sharing my robots with you, and you will find them attached to this course so you can test them on a virtual account and see how they perform. If you like just 10 out of them, great, you will have 10 robots to use for your trading. Also, I'm sure that you will enjoy the course, and that is why we back it with 30 days money back guarantee. Enroll today and get the 99 robots which will change your trading. Oh, did I mention I update the course every month with new 99 robots?